A lot of our investor clients ask, how do I find mortgage wrap transactions? How do I market for the mortgage wrap purchases? So I brought Danny Weber in here. He's an investor, closed a lot of transactions with us. He's an expert at finding these mortgage wrap transactions. How do you market for those things? How do you find them?
Well, it's tough. You're going to do a lot of the traditional marketing that you would do, searching for foreclosed properties or pre-foreclosure properties, appointment of substitute trustees, tax liens, both federal and county. You're also going to be looking for MLS listings, long days on market, lease listings, anything along that nature. But what you're going to find out really quickly is that this is a very labor-intensive practice. Lots of research, lots of phone calls, lots of texts, lots of mailers are going out. At the end, it's always worth it, right? Because the deals, these are well-performing deals, so I definitely chase them. And that's about it. Just lots of work.
Those tax liens that you're talking about, you're looking to see if it has a tax lien, because if it has a tax lien, they're probably not paying their mortgage. They're probably in a problem. They'll accept a mortgage wrap offer.
Yeah, the tax lien specifically, especially if they're an IRS tax lien, the government being the way they are puts a lot of pressure on folks with tax liens, and sellers are really motivated to get out from under the thumb of the government. And that's usually one of the easier conversations to have, to at least talk to get in the door on a motivated seller. If you can just approach them and say, hey, I've got some solutions for your tax lien issue, they're typically, their stress levels are through the roof if you're living with this.
So they want to get out from the problem, therefore they're willing to go ahead and enter into a mortgage wrap transaction more easily.
It's a lot easier to talk them into that. And it's usually beneficial because it's a quick closing. They typically walk away with more money and everybody's happy.
Good deal. I have to do the law thing and correct you on something. The substitute trustee list is not going to be valid. Eventually they change the law. Those aren't required anymore. What that is a mortgage company, when they're getting ready to foreclose, will go and update their trustee. They actually don't have to do that anymore in Texas, but they are still doing it, so that list is still valuable.
Yeah, we're still seeing a bunch of those recorded, and hopefully, so if they stop recording them for some reason, we're going to have to find another way to get to the data.
Just find it. Find it.
To get to the data.
Well, good deal. So that's a small version of what you can do to find mortgage wraps. It's probably about an hour, 2 hour presentation that you could probably do on that. But that's a little bit of information on how to find those mortgage wrap transactions. So reach out to one of our Texas offices to help with your real estate transaction. Follow us on Facebook for more tidbits. And remember, we're here to be your partner in title.